Hey guys, what's up? I trust that y'all are doing well. So, today we're gonna cook just a simple and easy meal, jerk chicken pasta. So, chicken already in the jerk sauce and marinates. So, these are the ingredients you will need to make your pasta. Would that be a chicken pasta or whatever pasta? Some pasta make different color. Like with pasta, you're not gonna need this and this. Or for what name oxtail pasta. Yeah, you have different ways and style, and everybody have them different twists and techniques as it relates to the kitchen. So this is my way. So this is the seasoning. We're gonna need this little flour here is for the roux sauce, and I will show you. I'll show you how to make the roux sauce. So these simple little steps as I go ahead, I'll show you. Yeah, put the water for boil. Add this. Make them the cook part where not fully cooked because you're gonna add it to the. May I show you? So let's get cooking. So water at an almost boil. Adding these. Yes, this is hot and ready. So we're gonna add the meat and the seasoning to stir fry for a bit and then take them out. Make the roux sauce. But first, stir your macaronis. Right? Remember, we're not going to let them cook all the way. We don't want them too soft. Or the too soft, it don't nice. For me personally, that is. Everybody prefer for them things different way. Kind of hectic to do this. So add this. Oh, that's it. Stir fry. This is what I mean. See here, people. Time to take out these to make the roux sauce. I'm going to show you what is a roux sauce. A roux sauce is the actual paste thing that bring the pasta together. With that thickness, like you really don't need to do it. It's optional because milk can do the job perfect alone, but roux sauce is good. So, time to take out these. Yeah, time up. One time to put them here. So for this, wash it off with cold water to stop the cooking process. So you know once heat is on it, it will continue to cook. Macaronis are very, very easy to cook. So that is that. So this is the starting of the roux sauce where you melt the butter, right? And people, if you can really use two different pots if you want to, like you don't have to remove whatever we did prepare in a one pot. But for me, you know, nasty up nothing else. So just go ahead with this. Is a one pot solution we call this. So after this, you add the flour, mix it up, then you add the milk and yeah. Flour added. Then I will go ahead now and add the milk and show you. When you add the milk, you have to stir. Yeah. I'm gonna make it get here cup. It's coming out here like getting thick. Add the pasta, see it? Thickness of the roux sauce. Right. Now I'm going to add the meat. Meat is added. It's coming all together now. You have to add the Parmesan cheese. This is the icing on the cake. It's optional, guys. You really don't have to use that. If you have shredded cheese, you can use it. If you have the cheese from the macaroni and cheese, that powder cheese, you can use it. But you don't have to use no cheese, none at all. So this is jerk chicken pasta. I want to show you the finish. I'm coming to the finished product, which Share and All presents. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Remember that, and to comment. So guys, here you have the finished product, and this is an easy to prepare meal. Yes, for pasta lovers like me who can't afford to always dine out, or you really don't want to dine out, or you're at home and you're feeling for pasta. You know, you can use local things where you have in the kitchen and make your dish. Right, take your hands on fashion. So this is my jerk chicken pasta. Right, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please continue to like, share, and comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend to subscribe to the channel. Yes, guys. And tell me down below how did I do. Yes.